In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Power Query in Microsoft Excel. Power Query is one of the most useful tools in Excel when you need to clean up, organize, or reshape data without doing everything manually. It's especially helpful if you work with lists that change over time, because once your setup is in place, you can refresh the results instead of repeating the same cleanup work again and again. To get started, select your data in Excel. The first thing you want to do is convert that data into a table. With the data selected, go to the Insert tab, then click Table. A small dialog box will appear, and here you should make sure the option that says My Table Has Headers is checked, as long as your first row contains your column names. Then click OK. This step is important because Power Query works best when your data is structured as a proper Excel table. Next, open Power Query by clicking anywhere inside the table you just created. Then go to the Data tab and click From Table or Range. Excel will open the Power Query Editor, which is the workspace where you can transform your data. Inside the Power Query Editor, you can start making changes to the table without affecting the original source data directly. For example, you can remove unnecessary columns if there's information you don't need. You can rename column headers to make them clearer and easier to work with. You can also filter rows to show only specific records, or sort the data in a way that makes more sense for your analysis. Another very useful feature is changing data types. If Excel has treated a date like plain text or a number like a string of characters, you can correct that here by assigning the proper data type such as text, number, or date. You can also remove duplicate rows, which is great when your source data contains repeated entries. Once you've finished transforming the data, go to the Home tab inside the Power Query Editor and click Close and Load. Excel will then create a new worksheet containing the transformed version of your data. This gives you a clean output while keeping your original table available. If your original data changes later, you don't need to rebuild everything. Just click anywhere inside the loaded table, go to the Data tab, and click Refresh All. Power Query will automatically update the results based on the steps you already created. That's how to use Power Query in Microsoft Excel to turn raw data into something much cleaner, more consistent, and easier to analyze.